Hello student, you are most welcome here over to integral classes. Now today we will discuss here exercise 1.1 of question number 2. Now in a question number 2 we have given R to R. These two R are different to each other. It is a relation and these are real number to real number. It means relation is defined real number to real number. Now relation is given a comma b where a is less than equal to b square. Now we will prove here R is not reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Now first we will prove for reflexive. Now for reflexive we will consider here, we know that if A belongs to R, then implies that A is less than equal to A square. But in this condition, if we will consider here A equal to what? 1 by 2, suppose. So 1 by 2 belongs to R, then implies that 1 by 2 less than equal to 1 by 2 whole square. It means 1 by 2 is less than equal 1 by 4. So student, we know that 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2. So it is not reflexive. So R is not reflexive. Now second is for symmetric. Now for symmetric we will consider here if A, B belongs to R, implies that A is less than equal to B square. Now B, A belongs to R, implies that B is less than to A square. Now for example we will consider here, take A equal to 1 and B equal to 4. These are belongs to R. What is the meaning belongs to R? These are belongs to relation, in a relation. So we will write here 1 is less than equal 4 square. Now implies that 1 is less than equal 16. So it is true, 1 is always less than 16. But if we will consider here 4, 1 is belongs to R, then 4 is less than equal 1 square. So implies that 4 is less than equal to 1. So this is not true. So R is not symmetric. Now for transitive, consider here three numbers 2, -2 and 1. What is the condition of the transitive? If A, B belongs to R and B, C belongs to R, so implies that AC also belongs to R. Now we will take here three numbers 2, -2, 1. Then implies here 2 -2 belongs to R and -2, 1 belongs to R. So here is what? A is here. It means 2 is less than equal to -2 square and -2 less than equal to 1 square. So now 2 is less than equal 4 and -2 is less than equal 1. It is true. But if we will take here AC, A is 2 and C is 1. So now which are belongs to real number? We will implies it then 2 square less than equal 1. It means 4 is less than equal 1. So it is not true. So student, R is not transitive. Question number 3 is check relation R is defined in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and relation is given. We have here AB, B equal to A plus 1. We will check here reflexive, symmetric and transitive. First of all, we will write the relation here R equal to, if we will put the value A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then we will get the value of B's. If we will put here A equal to 1, then B equal to 2, A equal to 2, B equal to 3 and B equal to 3, sorry, A equal to 3, B equal to 4, A equal to 4, B equal to 5 and A equal to 5, B equal to 6 and A equal to 6, B equal to 6. This relation we will get which follow the given here. Now for reflexive. Now for reflexive, as we observe here in a relation, here is not kind of, this kind of relation is not exist here, like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So these are not belongs to here. It means implies that A is not equal to A plus 1. So R is not reflexive. Now second is for symmetric. Now for symmetric, again we will take here, what is the condition of symmetric? If A belongs to B, AB belongs to R, then BA belongs to R. It should be. But in this condition, student, as we observe here, if we will take example here 1, 2 belongs to R, as we observe here, then 2, 1 is not belongs to R. Here is not. In this relation, we will not get 2, 1 belongs to R. So R is not symmetric. Now for third, transitive. Now for the transitive, we will consider here 3 pair. So if A, B belongs to R and B, C belongs to R, so it should be A, C belongs to R. Now we will consider here 3 pair. 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, 3 belongs to R. So it should be here 1, 3 belongs to R. But in our relation, as we observe here, here is this pair 1, 3 is not exist. So R is not transitive. Question number 4 is show that relation R in R. It is a relation and relation is defined in a real number. This R is denoted the real number. As R, AB, A is less than equal B, where all of AB belongs to R. Is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Now first reflexive. Now for reflexive, first we will consider what is the condition of reflexive. If A belongs to A, A comma A belongs to R, then implies that A less than equal A. So student, it is possible every number is equal to, this is the symbol of equal, so every number is equal to itself. So R is reflexive. Now second is, it is transitive also. So for transitive, we will consider here three pair. If A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, implies that A comma C belongs to R. It should be. So now we have given A less than equal B and B less than equal C. So implies that A less than equal C. So it should be correct. Suppose we will take here example. Now we will consider an example 1, 2, 2, 3. Then 1, 3. 1 is less than 2, 3. So R is transitive. So R is transitive. For symmetric, if A comma B belongs to R, so it should be B comma A is also belongs to R. Now we will take here a example 1, 2 belongs to R, implies that 1 is less than or equal to 2. So it follows that 1 is always less than 2. But if we will write here 2, 1 belongs to R, so implies that 2 is not less to 1. So this is not follow. So R is not symmetric. To show that relation R is R in R defined, relation is given AB, A less than equal BQ, all R, AB belongs to R, is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So student, as we know that, first we will prove here for reflexive. If A comma A belongs to R, implies that A less than equal to A. It should be. Now for this proof, we will take here example 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 belongs to R, implies that 1 by 2 less than equal 1 by 2 whole cube, and implies that 1 by 2 is less than equal 1 by 8, which is not true. We know that 1 by 2 is greater to 1 by 8. So R is not reflexive. Now second is symmetric. Now for symmetric, what is the condition, student? For the symmetric, if A comma B belongs to R, implies that it should be B comma A belongs to R. So for proving here symmetric, we will consider here example 1, 2 belongs to R. It should be what? 1 is less than equal to 2 whole cube. So implies that 1 is less than equal to 8. So it is follow. But if we will take here 2, 1 belongs to R. So now we should write here 2 less than equal to 1 power 1 exponent 3. So 2 is less than 2, 1. It is not follow. We observed here 2 is greater to 1. So student, R is not symmetric. Now Next is for transitive. Transitive, we will consider here 3 numbers. So what is the condition of transitive? If A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, so implies that A comma C should be belongs to R. Now we will consider an example. 1 comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 3 belongs to R. So what is the meaning of 1 comma 2? 1 is less than equal to 2 whole cube and 2 is less than equal to 3 exponent 3. So it should be 1 is less than equal to 8 and 2 is less than equal to 27. So implied that A comma C, it means 1 comma 3, implies here it is belongs to R. We will write here 1 is less than equal to 3 cube. So 1 is less than equal to 27. So now we will prove here all condition of transitive. 1 less than equal to 8, 2 less than equal to 27 and 1 is also less than equal to 27. So student, R is also transitive. Next question is question number 6. R in the set 1, 2, 3 given by, we have given a set A and R is given relation in this set is given 1, 2, 2, 1. Is symmetric but not neither reflexive and non-transitive. So student, for symmetry, as we observe here, 1, for symmetry 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Here 2 comma 1 belongs to R. Now we have given 1 comma 2 which are belongs to R and 2 comma 1 is also belongs to R. So student, R is symmetric. For reflexive, now for reflexive, as we observe here, 1 comma 1 pair not belongs to R. This type of pair is not in a given relation. So A comma A not belongs to R, then R is not reflexive. Now for transitive, now for transitive, student, we will again take 2 pair, 1 comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 1 belongs to R. So it should be 1 comma 1 belongs to R. But in given relation, we will not get this pair 1 comma 1 which are belongs to R. So it should be not be belongs to R. So R is not transitive. Question number 7 is, show that the relation R in the set of all the book in library of a college given by R is XY, X and Y have same number of pages, is an equivalence relation. We will prove here this relation is a equivalence. So student, we know that for equivalence we will prove here it is symmetric, reflexive and transitive. So first is for reflexive. So what is the condition for reflexive? For reflexive, x belongs to R. So it implies that x and x have same number of pages. So student, as we know that in a library many books are there and many books have same number of books. So it should be a reflexive. So RB reflexive. Now second is symmetric. Now for symmetry, what is the condition of symmetry? If x, y belongs to R, so it should be yx also belongs to R. For symmetry, x, y belongs to R, so x and y have same number of pages. So if therefore y x belongs to R implies that y and x have same number of pages. So R is symmetric. For transitive, if x, y belongs to R and y, z belongs to R, so it should be x, z also belongs to R. So student, now x, y belongs to R means x and y have same number of pages and y and x have same number of pages. So x and z have same number of pages. So student, we have proved here R is reflexive, transitive and symmetric. So R is transitive, then R is equivalence relation. Thank you.